Section 1-5 Summary of Italian numbers. One. No matter you're learning French, Spanish, or Italian, numbers 1 to 20 are viewed as base numbers, which means you have to memorize them. 2. Rules for double-digit numbers higher than 20. General pattern as follows. Tens digit plus units digit. Per esempio, 48 becomes 48. 65 becomes 65. 23 in Italian is 23. Notes for Italian numbers. Number 1. For numbers ending with 1 or 8, the last letter of the tens digit will be eliminated and combined with the units digit. Per esempio, 51 in Italian is 51. 68 in Italian is 68. 31 becomes 31. 88 in Italian is 88. Number 2. For numbers ending with 3, an extra accent mark is needed for the last letter. Per esempio, 43 is 43. 73 is 73. Number 3. Unlike in Spanish or French, the double-digit numbers in Italian are written as one word. No hyphens or conjunctions are needed. Next, we'll cover the last part of this lesson, application of Italian numbers. See you in the next video.